8592. Using a cold spark plug in a high-compression aircraft engine would probably result in A. Normal operation. B. A fouled plug. C. Detonation. The correct answer is A. Using a cold spark plug in a high-compression aircraft engine would likely result in normal operation. Cold spark plugs are designed to dissipate heat more efficiently, making them suitable for engines operating at higher temperatures or with higher compression ratios. 8593. Spark plug fouling caused by lead deposits occurs most often? A. During cruise with rich mixture. B. When cylinder head temperatures are relatively low. C. When cylinder head temperatures are high. The correct answer is B. Spark plug fouling caused by lead deposits most often occurs when cylinder head temperatures are relatively low. Lead deposits can accumulate on the spark plug electrodes and insulator, hindering proper spark formation and leading to rough engine operation. 8594. In a four-stroke cycle aircraft engine, when does the ignition event take place? A. Before the piston reaches TDC on compression stroke. B. After the piston reaches TDC on power stroke. C. After the piston reaches TDC on compression stroke. The correct answer is A. In a four-stroke cycle aircraft engine, the ignition event takes place before the piston reaches top dead center, TDC, on the compression stroke. Ignition timing is set so that the spark plug fires a short time before the piston reaches the top of its compression stroke, ensuring optimal combustion and engine performance. 8595. When installing a magneto on an engine, the A. Piston in the cylinder 1 must be a prescribed number of degrees before top center on the compression stroke. B. Magneto breaker points must be just closing. C. Piston in the cylinder 1 must be a prescribed number of degrees after top center on the intake stroke. The correct answer is A. When installing a magneto on an engine, the piston in cylinder 1 must be a prescribed number of degrees before top center on the compression stroke. This positioning ensures that the magneto's spark occurs at the correct timing in relation to the piston's position. 8596. The spark occurs at the spark plug when the ignition's A. Secondary circuit is completed. B. Primary circuit is completed. C. Primary circuit is broken. The correct answer is C. The spark occurs at the spark plug when the primary circuit is broken. When the breaker points open, the interruption of current flow in the primary circuit causes a high voltage induction in the secondary circuit, resulting in a spark at the spark plug.